इस लेक्चर में हम ये क्रिमिनोलॉजी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर प्रैक्टिस यूजीसी नेट जेआरएफ जुलाई 2018 पेपर 2 सॉल्यूशन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो हम आज से हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि पहले नेट जेआरएफ के लिए मैं अपने चैनल पर प्रिपरेशन करवा रहा था। अब क्रिमिनोलॉजी का भी सब्जेक्ट होगा और ये भी नेट जेआरएफ के लिए मतलब सारे सॉल्यूशन और सारी चीज़ें इसी चैनल पे आएंगी धीरे धीरे करके। तो जो भी कोई भी आए तो उससे रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाए, क्योंकि जो अगर फोरेंसिक साइंस से रिलेटेड हो तो स्टडी के लिए हमने यह चैनल शुरू किया है, जिसका मकसद ये है कि आपके स्टडी में जो कमियां हैं उसको दूर कर सकें। और दूसरा ये है कि आप फीडबैक हमें दो ताकि हम उस चीज़ को पर भी लेक्चर बना सकें। तो शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट पेपर का। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, when can a trial court release an accused on bail under section 389 का थर्ड सेक्शन ऑफ सीआरपीसी आफ्टर कन्विक्शन। तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? ये फर्स्ट, वेयर एक्यूज्ड ऑन बेल पर है, इम्प्रिजनमेंट इज नॉट एक्सीडिंग 3 ईयर तक इम्प्रिजन एक्सीड नहीं होना चाहिए। Under which section of the code criminal procedure police can arrest an accused without warrant? कौन से सेक्शन में पुलिस बिना वारंट के अरेस्ट कर सकती है? तो सेक्शन 41। क्योंकि यह पुराना प्रीवियस ईयर 2018 जुलाई का क्वेश्चन है, तो उसके अनुसार ये होंगे। नए के अनुसार नया सेक्शन में आगे बताऊंगा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, उसकी भी वीडियो मैं बनाऊंगा। तो अगर जो छूटा या करा रह गया हो तो उसके लिए कमेंट करके कोई बता सकता है मुझे कि इसमें छूटा रह गया। अब तीसरा क्वेश्चन है एजर्सन ये, the committee has the authority to dispose the cases for the care, protection, treatment, development and rehabilitation of children in need of care and protection, as well as to provide for their basic needs and protection. Committee means child welfare committee constituted under section 27 of Juvenile Justice Act, Care and Prevention of Children Act। थर्ड है, both A and R are correct। दोनों रीजन करेक्ट है। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। द ईयरली मार्क्सिस्ट क्रिमिनोलॉजिस्ट विलियम बोंगर was the Dutch philosopher whose most noted work was First Criminology and Economic Condition। Question 5, who among the following introduced a typology of victim based on victim-offender relationship? क्या है? तो इसके आंसर हैं इजैड फतह, हेनरी इलेनबर्ग, और मार्विन ई वुल्फगैंग, हैंस ऊन हेंटिंग। ये चारों ऑप्शन करेक्ट है, बट इस क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ नहीं है ऑल ऑफ दी अबव, तो हम चारों को ऑल कर देंगे। किसी एक पर ही टिक लगा सकते हैं इसके लिए। Which among the following is correct? कौन सा करेक्ट है? तो the right private defense is available only for adults, that is wrong. The right private defense is available only to those who are capable to the lawful commit crime, that is wrong. The right of private defense is available only to the public servant, that is wrong. अब क्या है? The right of private defense available on all irrespective of age and capacity. Under the which of the following situation old Indian courts have jurisdiction? तो इसमें है ऑप्शन ए क्राइम कमिटेड बाय एन इंडियन इन ए फॉरेन कंट्री। एक बंदा है जो उसने क्राइम, इंडियन है जिसने फॉरेन कंट्री में क्राइम किया है। क्राइम कमिटेड बाय फॉरेनर इन इंडिया, फॉरेनर आता है वो क्राइम इंडिया में करता है। क्राइम कमिटेड बाय अ पर्सन ऑन ए इंडियन शिप, ऑन एन इंडियन शिप। ओके, तो इसका आंसर है तीनों करेक्ट है। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। Which among of the following section of Indian Penal Code defined forgery? फर्जरी कौन से सेक्शन में डिफाइन किया गया है? अकॉर्डिंग टू ओल्ड लॉ सेक्शन 463। नया लॉ के लिए अगला लेक्चर में बनाऊंगा। Match list 1 with list 2 and selected answer using code given below. List 1, इसकी मैचिंग क्या है? दूसरा, ये है दूसरा, सेकंड ऑप्शन, पहला का दूसरा। इन्वेस्टिगेशन टू कमिट एन ऑफेंस नेसेसरी, और एग्रीमेंट टू कमिट एन ऑफेंस, इसका पहला है क्रिमिनोलॉजी कंस्पाइरेंसी। अब क्या है तीसरा का? चौथा, ग्रेव एंड सडन प्रोवोकेशन, कल्पेटेबल होमिसाइड, नॉट अमाउंट ऑफ मर्डर, और एक्ट डन विथआउट इंटेंशन टू प्रिवेंट अदर। इसका भी आंसर दूसरा ही है, नेसेसिटी। 2 बार आंसर दिया हुआ है 2, तो इसमें वही होगा। अब ये भी मैच वाला है, तो बढ़ते हैं क्वालिटेटिव। इसका चौथा होगा क्वांटिटेटिव। अब क्या है? लेस कंट्रोल। तीसरा है ग्रेटर कंट्रोल, इसका ऑपोजिट है एक्सटर्नल कंट्रोल। अब क्या है इसका? इंटरनल कंट्रोल। अब बचा हुआ नेचुरल है, तो फर्स्ट बचा हुआ रह गया है, तो आर्टिफिशियल। Who among the following was first to note that passionate criminal act under the provocation by victim? कौन है लैम्बर्सो? This is the scientist. अब क्या है? Who among the following uses the notion the higher immorality to explain the concept of moral insensibility of power elite? इन्होंने दिया था ये सी राइट मिल्स। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन 13 की ओर। विच अमोंग द फॉलोइंग इज कॉम्पिटेंट टू पास एन ऑर्डर ऑफ लाइफ इम्प्रिजमेंट, मतलब आजीवन सजाए? तो ऑप्शन है सीजन जज। If the number attend to the variable represent equal quantities, it is called। थर्ड है इंटरवल स्केल। Which among the following is the base for radial criminology? कौन है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट? The concept of social solidarity is used by whom to explain crime in society? Emile Durkheim. Acts reuse means guilty acts. The principle in respect of burden of proof are prescribed in the Indian Evidence Act. The court proceeding. Which among the following is not correct question for general examination? Who among the following has made an statement? Crime can be ended only with the ending of suffering, only when there is a peace through love and composition found in awareness. Queenie. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using code given below. अब क्या है इसमें? कॉमन इंटेंशन, इसका आंसर ये है कॉमन इंटेंशन ज्वाइंट लायबिलिटी, कॉमन ऑब्जेक्ट कंस्ट्रक्टिव लायबिलिटी, इंटीग्रेशन का एविटमेंट और डिसऑनेस्ट इंटेंशन थेफ्ट। Which among the following is not correctly matched? तो व्हाइट कॉलर क्राइम, क्वीनी ये मैच नहीं करता, ये मैच करते हैं क्रिमिनल एंड एक्टरेंस और नॉर्मल लेंस एनोमिक ये मैच करते हैं और क्रिमिनल इंटेंट मीन्स री। Who declared the reformation and rehabilitation of offender was the main objective of prison administration? द इंडियन जेल कमिटी 1920 Which among the following aims to provide a psycho-philosophical rationale for reforming the judicial and legal system to make it more rational and fair? Classical school. पेन की साइज The two opposing ideas related to the effect of media and violence are option 2 is correct. B and D तो इसका है कैथरेस हाइपोथेसिस और डी है प्रिसेप्शन हाइपोथेसिस। अब क्या है, व्हेन क्रिमिनल लॉ इज कंसीडर्ड टू द एग्रीमेंट विद पब्लिक विल कॉल्ड consensus model. The terms more mean more serious normal involve punishment. Society try to control deviant behavior using norms. Norms include सब सही है, मोर्स, फ्लोकवे, लॉज, ट्रेडिशंस। The Latin maxim mala in esse means bad in themselves. The term green criminology deals with which of the following types of crime? Second है environmental crimes. Opportunity cost of crime is a term which involves सब सही है, time spent on securing assets, cost work days in prison by criminal, victim lost a working day, victim lost in last working day या working day काम के दौरान ही मतलब गायब हो गया, नेबरहुड वॉच टाइम कब देखा ने पड़ोसिया ने। The term crime induced production refer to cost in resource to flight crime. Extortion, a deviant behavior, refer to activities that fall outside the range of normal societal toleration. Defining the of such activity are related to time, place or person. Code to both A and R are correct. अब 34 extortion, a crime is an intentional act or omission in violation of criminal law committed without justification and sanctioned by the state by punishment. The act prohibited by law and contains legally specified punishment code. Both A and R are true and R are the correct explanation. Arrange the following activities as these happen in criminal justice system. Question B, आंसर होगा बी फर्स्ट है। कमीशन इन क्राइम, ए इज द सेकेंड। पुलिस अरेस्ट, डी इज द थर्ड। चार्जशीट एंड सी इज द फोर्थ। In criminological research, pie chart is used to represent पहला number of percentage. Which one among the following is not correctly matched? Third, Ian Taylor criminology. What types of cases does juvenile justice board deals? Third, children in conflict with law. Which among the following substances is classified as detergent? First, alcohol. In which country among the following commercial sex is not illegally banned? दूसरा है इंडिया. Okay. Commercial sex means the red light area in Delhi. Crimes that exemplify mala prohibita are A and C are correct. Traffic violation and C is gambling. In India, under which of the following law is the crime victim eligible to receive compensation? Code of Criminal Procedure. The term forensic science means which of the following in open court or public? Robbery is a form of traditional crime. Psychological aspects of crime are related to intelligence, self-esteem, motivation, learning. चारों सही है. Which law in India lay down guidelines for plea bargaining? Plea ही तो है. तो इसका आंसर है 2, कोड ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. विच सिटी इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस इज लोकेटेड? द हॉग. Exhaustion A and reason R. Theory involve attempt to develop reasonable explanation of reality, explain the essential elements of the subject in question. Both A and R are correct. The extreme psychological and physical dependence on intoxicating drug is called addiction. Which of the following is not correctly matched? तो third, white collar crime by working classes. Corporate business crime is a type of which of the following board classification? Organizational crime. Before publication, sending a report to college with research knowledge to check their publication suitability or plagiarism report is called peer review. जिसमें पीयर रिव्यू में क्या होता है कि टीचर जो होते हैं या गाइड वो क्या करते हैं, उसको रिव्यू करते हैं, उसके बाद जेन्युइन और ऑथेंटिकनेस प्लेगरिज्म रिपोर्ट बनता है. उसके बाद पता चलता है कि अगर 10 से नीचे हो तो सही है। अगर वैसे रूल के अनुसार 20% है, लेकिन यूनिवर्सिटी 10 मानती है, तो उसके अनुसार 10 के अंदर होना चाहिए। The distance between the lowest and the highest value in the set of a score is called first range. White collar crime is committed by a person of responsibility. White collar crime is committed by the person of high social status in court of his occupation. तो answer both A and R is correct. Who among the following is a British criminologist who contributed to the development of probation? Answer 3, John Howard. Who is the author of the book entitled The Professional Thief? Edwin Sutherland. Which thinker is regarded as protagonist of victimology theory? Von Hinting. Which among of the following law provides the compensation of to crime victims? Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act. Which of the following perspectives assume that events can be explained in causal rather than violational terms? Positivism. Consequence the following important happening in criminology chronology. तो आंसर क्या है? फर्स्ट डी पहला है। डी में क्या है? आई स्नेक ऑफ पर्सनालिटी फर्स्ट। ए हो गया हेराची कंट्रीब्यूशन। ये दूसरा हो गया। अब सी इज द थर्ड वन, टेलर वाल्टमन ऑन योंग कंट्रीब्यूशन। और क्वेनी पेपेंस स्काई कंट्रीब्यूशन इज द फोर्थ वन। Who was focused on concept of dramatization of evil to explain criminal behavior? Bold. Which of one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Twin studies language lang. A stand-alone malware that replicates itself in order to spread to other computers is called worm. The term vandalism refers to willful destruction of property. Arrange the following line chronological order: Police Act, Evidence Act, Prison Act, Probation of Offender Act. Extortion, a peacemaking criminology focusing on developing means of trust building even in the midst of conflict. Reason are peacemaking criminology stress the construction of a social fabric of love and respect. चौथा both A and R are correct. Sequence chronology the following developments in criminology. B पहला है जर्मनी बेथमेल कंट्रीब्यूशन। डी दूसरा हो गया कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ आर्म गोरी। ए हो गया तीसरा एडोल्फेज क्विवैलेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन। एंड सी हो गया ये चौथा कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ कार्ल मार्क्स। मैच द लिस्ट गिवन को ये भी है अगला मैच वाला। तो इसका आंसर है 1, पहला का 4, फर्स्ट का 4, आई स्नेक क्राइम ऑफ एंड पर्सनालिटी से बी है 5th रेकलेस कंटामिनेंट थ्योरी साउदरलैंड। सेकेंड डिफरेंशियल एसोसिएशन कोहेन। फर्स्ट डेलिक्वेंट बॉयज। Given below are assumptions about crime and the policy they lead to find which one is not correctly matched. For peacemaking structure law, a crime in which a small amount of money are taken from many accounts and transferred to that of the thief is called salami technique. The scale that contains categories that can be ordered by rank on a continuum is called ordinal scale. Familiar behavior exhibited by identical twins is called dizygotic concordance. The error is attempting to have a specific theory explain all crime is called globally false. The terminology closet queen refer to homosexuality. Which among the following is not correctly matched for somotypes Christensen? आगे बढ़ते हैं। इंटीग्रेटेड थ्योरी ऑफ जुवेनाइल डेलिंक्वेंसी हैज बीन propounded by फर्स्ट इलियट। Left-realism is major theme by for Paul Young. When a child above 16 years commits a heinous offense, sequence the following using the code as per the JJ Act 2015 4. C है फर्स्ट child above 16 year plus heinous offense। ए हो गया प्रिलिमिनरी असाइनमेंट। बी हो गया ट्रायल बाय चिल्ड्रन कोर्ट। और डी हो गया डिस्पोजल फोर्थ। Exhaustion A. The basis canon of scientific research is that research attempts to mean objectivity. Reason are the researcher is trained not to judge but rather to objectively record and to determine what meaning these findings have for the field of criminology and to the development of its knowledge base. तीसरा A and R are correct. Both A and R are correct. In 2016 2016 में how many central jails were there in India? Between 101 and 150. Crime committed against women and children as a part of system of traditional main domains and authority is known as patriarchal crimes. A secret and malicious computer program hidden within the programs is called Trojan horse. By sequence chronology, the following development in criminology for DACB. D है डार्विन आइडिया, ए है लोम्बोर्सो कंट्रीब्यूशन, सी है चार्किज्म व्यू एंड बी है चार्ल्स ग्रोमिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन। Match list 1 with list 2 with given code. डूगडेली, तीसरा दी जूक्स, डार्विन फोर्थ, अमेरिकन रिवॉल्यूशन, गोरिंग सेकेंड, द इंग्लिश कन्विक्ट, मार्क्स कम्युनिस्ट मैनिफेस्टो। Which among the following authority grants probation to offender? तीसरा कोर्ट। Which authority in India grants parole or premature release to convicts jail inmates? Third, jail authorities. Among the following, which system leads to the reduction in the term of sentence of jail inmates having satisfactory works and conduct behavioral remission? Among the following, which country does not award death penalty to convicts? दूसरा इंग्लैंड। Among the following, which country does not award death penalty to convicts? दूसरा इंग्लैंड। Which country among the following awards death penalty for processing lethal drugs. Saudi Arabia. दूसरा, variables representation of constructs, reliability, the extent to which a measure is free from random error. construct चौथा, construct पहला, abstraction social scientists discuss to their theories. अब डी है दूसरा, ऑपरेशन डिफिनीशन स्पीसीज हाउ टू मेजर ए वेरिएबल. अब 92, which of the following is not correctly matched? women offender observation. Which of the following is correctly matched? Atvism Lamborso. Who among the following has made the statement, a victim can be an individual, an organization, the moral order, or the legal system of the state which threatened, harmed, or destroyed by action? Hence, Joachim Schneider. Who made an statement, a crime committed by a person of respectability and high social status in the course of occupation. Option 2, Sutherland. Sutherland. Direction to 96 to 100. Although many criminological theories emerge in response to the social context of the 1960 to 1970, especially the concern with prevailing inequalities in money and power, the US turned in the political right during the Reagan and Bush years of the 1980 and beyond. During the new criminologists emerged claiming that crime is not due to faults in society but rather to the faults of individuals. These theories vary in their scientific merit, but they are consistent in suggesting that the answer to crime heads largely in harsher punishment and specifically expanded use of imprisonment against offenders. Major criminologist theory developed second after 1970. Inequality in money and power caused second new criminological explanation. New criminologist opening that crime is due to flaw in individual. Theories that advocated for harsher punishment is verifying scientific merits. The new criminologist advocated second harsher punishment Final words like share and subscribe if you are passionate about forensic science and want to learn more about this incredible field. Hit subscribe button and now and become part of our growing community. Like this video, give it thumbs up. How have question, drop them in comments, share with channel with friends, classmates and college. Thank you for being here. Let's explore forensic science.